away in Europe today takes everything you've got. 60,000 biddies with season tickets bought. But maybe you have to win a game in order to progress a bit beyond the second round. Where bombs like you are never found. It's just another fact of life, it's never gonna go away. There's no Tums left in Europe by Christmas Day. It's a grand old team to play for, or so we're fucking told. Yet every year in Europe there's 11 jerseys sold. He has been sides for France or Spain, who just can't believe their luck when your name comes at the hand. Take cries of who the fuck is that? You're just a pushy Glasgow team, you give us all the book. Your European campaign's a fucking joke. His teeth are green, his head is square, with a big moustache and curly hair. One day he's on Paisley Road, the next day he's in jail. He's a dedicated follower of Rangers. He hates the Thames, he loves the Queen, and naked birds he's never seen. He holidays in Airdrie and his breath would make you scream. He's a dedicated follower of Rangers. He likes to sing, hello, 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 hello. He likes to drink, El Dorado, El Dorado. There's one thing that he hates and that is cleanliness. He thinks that Derek Johnston is a handsome, witty man. He's a dedicated follower of Rangers. His team get gubbed on foreign land, and once again he's on remand. But he knows a real good lawyer from his local marching band. He's a dedicated follower of Rangers. He bangs the drum, in Motherwell, He bears the bomb, outside Chapel, He never smiles, he's permanently raging. He'd probably be a champ if being a fanny was a sport. He's a dedicated follower of Rangers.